Hello everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. So in this lecture, we are going to know about the mock test, GATE Electrical Engineering for the date 7th September 2025 for NPTEL GATE examination mock test series. So here's the questions we'll have. So we'll get mock test. This is the fourth mock test week of the GATE NPTEL for the subject code Electrical Engineering. So here we having the questions and answers. Okay, there is no explanation in between detailed explanation. All question and answer will be here. So here are the questions you can see, and if you are interested, they can take the screenshot of them. Okay, let's go through these modules. So here is the question one. So go through the question one. So you may take the question, okay, screenshot. So just I will scroll to the question and answer. Okay, so whichever related to me, so then I will explain the related one. So until one, you can take the question whichever you are preparing. So take the screenshots. So second question we have, and the third question. So we're having the product of foods based mathematics question. Next we have the fourth question, absolute values. Sorry. So here is the YouTube link also there. Next the fifth question we have. So two more question we'll have this one. This is the statement. With the statement and we identify which are the possibilities. So next question we'll have this will be the statement for 1 mark question. Next seventh question related to the aptitude. Next question, reasoning question. We'll have ninth question. Please go through the question in detail and identify the answer. Next 10th question we have the English question. 10th question. Next 11th question related to digital electronics. Twelfth question, in channel MOSFET. Semiconductor devices topic. Next we'll have in analog electronics, semiconductors, common emitter amplifier. So transistor analog is there. 14th question. So here is the options. Next 15th question, 1 mark question. So please they check the question in detail related to the BJT. So most of the questions will have the picked from directly from the book. For practice the more backside book MCQs, they will get benefited from standard books. Here are the flip flops. Come to this one marks question, so 2 marks question for the state space control system. 12th question is the second order system control system. So when you are writing the examination, please identify the subject name. Okay, that is better. So whenever you prepare in detail, so even though if you not prepare for the all these subjects, so you need to be perfect. Whatever the subjects you have prepared, that is a better thing to avoid the negative marking. Means apart from the 100% we cannot make sometimes, so it will be better to have if you are preparing for the 50% syllabus completely, that syllabus should be completely you need to be practice. 19th question you can see. So this is also control system. So this big directly taken from the textbook. Okay. 20th question is also comes under the linear time invariant system control system. We'll have same similar topic for 21 question also. 22 second, 22nd question. So RLCBS question we have networks. 23rd question. 34th question we have is go through the total full questions and see the options, graphical options. Okay, whichever is there. So properties, so that you need to identify it and put the answer. 25th question. So fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks if it is not having the any negative marks. Okay. So if it is whatever the near answer also fails, you will get the marks. Okay. So it will be the range. Okay. Sometimes exactly also comes. Okay. So next question is the two-port network. 27th question. Single phase transformers. 28th question. We having a three-phase 50 Hz square wave. Okay. ESM. Voltage source inverter. It's okay. For electronics drives. Okay. So we'll have an induction motor and power electronics mix. That's the power electron drives. Next we'll having the question transformer questions we'll have. Okay, so that is related to the load test. Okay, load sharing of the two transformer, parallel connection of the transformer. Okay, next we'll have the star connected. To one question in relate to the transformers. Please take the screenshot whichever the needed. That's the question we'll have in the DC missions. Okay, so we can identify that previous last three. Okay, last three mark test also same similar type question we ask. Okay, so DC missions. Okay, so DC mission will having the holes, slots, lap winding or wave winding. File review. We need to identify the pressures will sometimes commutator segments. Okay, similar that. Okay, so construction based this question will be back. So you need to be get through to this section. So here also DC fixed construction based question. We'll having the transformers. Always remember that one question from the transformer test construction, another from the test. We'll having the star to delta, delta to star, parallel operation, load test, and one question from the teach mission construction. So these will be some major topics. So next question will be all in gate examination. Before writing your final gate examination, it will better to attend at least 4 to 5, minimum 4 to 5 full length examination. That will be helpful to understand the topic and timings, how much time you will need you to take the for each question understanding and answering and avoiding the negative marks. So this question for the measurement. So as we know that we having a textbook coordinate measurement and instrumentation, AK Sahani book. So that will be better for who are preparing for the get examination. Most of the questions will have. So apart from the other textbook, so AK Sahani textbook having the for each chapter have backside we have not all the topic backside. So each chapter will having the MCQs. So that will be better too when you go through the topic. Each topic backside will have the MCQ. Okay, that will be practice. So it will get the good marks in the any examination. Not only get so similar any competitive exam for the measurement and instrumentation topic. So we'll having the next, we'll having the analog electronics. 37th question, we'll having the fill in the blank. So here they will given the range, okay, 3.5 to 4 points. Means whichever near to your the place and get the marks. Next, we'll having the PMNC instrumentation. Okay. So if you identify these questions, the most of the questions will having a Kathahan textbook. Okay. So you prepared the books. Okay. So that book you can easily identify for each topic. The multiple choice and the fill in the blanks are there that you can do easily. And another book is having the JB Gupta textbook. Okay. So that's name has you already know most of them. That is integrated course on electrical and electronics engineering by JB Gupta. So in that we're having the most of the questions. So fill in the blanks, multiple choice. Okay. So there is no in-depth each question and answer but they will having the question and answer for practice. You can see the 41 question, that fill in the blanks question, that's for 2 marks. So you can check the basic electrical question, BW. So we'll have 44 question and 43rd question also. So 46 and 47 question we're having the 2 marks question for the fill in the blanks for the ordinary differential equations and probability. So if you're on the main examination, they don't give the hint. Okay, I'll that remember. So this is a mark test, so they given the hint. So let's check the hint. So please find the solution below YouTube. But in actual, no, so they don't give the any hint that you need to remember. So as we mentioned, we'll having the three-phase voltage source inverter. So we'll related to the star and connected resistor load. So here is the MOSFET question, 56th question, fill in the blank for 1 mark. And the 57th and 58th questions, if you observe, these questions will having the mathematics, and another one is the power system. No, no, no. This one question is the 50th question is the silent generator, means the AC generators topic. Uh, sorry, Newton-Raphson method. That's the power system analysis question. In the power system, we'll having the power system analysis and power system operating conditions. Okay, PSOC will having the giant to go. They will have no PSOC, PSA subject. So we'll have the 61st question, the 2 marks question. So 64th question related to maths, and 65th question also related to the control system, signal and system. Sorry, not control system, the signal and system. Uh, Sorry if it is any subject related to missing, okay, or mismatchly or fail the subject. Okay, hope you understand. So these are the subjects or questions, subject related question of the mock test. So please go through the in-depth questions. Okay, so here I have given the in this one only question and answer center. Okay, not in-depth analysis. You can know the what type of questions is asked in the coding. Okay, that is better for us. Hope you understand. Anyhow, please watch our videos regularly and prepare well. If you like our videos, please put like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.